So there are three modes of locking and unlocking the door while you're inside the car. The first one is you lock it from the driver side door, and that locks all the doors. Unlock it and that unlocks all the doors. Similarly, you also have this button here. This is for unlocking and locking the doors. This is the unlock symbol and this is a lock symbol. So if I press lock, there you go. And if I press unlock, there you go. So this is the second mode of locking and unlocking the door. The third mode of locking, unlocking is the speed sensitive lock. That is, when you start driving, as a car picks up speeds between 50 to 20 kilometers per hour, it will automatically lock all the doors. Let me show you that. So now the car is at standstill and I've unlocked the doors. Once I start moving, as the car reaches speeds between 15 to 20 kilometers per hour, the doors would auto lock. Have a look. There you go. Guys, now let me show you a neat little hack with the Exter. Now, if you lock your car, the mirrors should ideally fold, right? Now let me lock the car. But the mirrors are not folding. But the car is locked. But why do the mirrors not fold? Because this door is not closed properly. So while locking the car, if the mirrors don't fold, one of the four doors, one or more, may be not closed properly. So let me close it properly. However, this does not apply for the boot door. Even if the boot door is not locked, it will still fold. Let me show you that. Come over. So I've opened the door and let me just leave it here. So this is not locked properly. You can see the gap here. You can see the mirror still folding while the boot door is not locked properly. So this does not apply for the boot door. So that is a neat little hack